Good morning and welcome to day 6 of our Learn from Home. Today we are focusing on math. Specifically, we're focusing on subtraction facts within 20. Today's video is designed to help you with the activities you're going to see in your learning packet today. Hopefully everyone now has their learning packet. If you do not, please hit me up on Dojo or Google Classroom. Let me know so that we can take care of you. So again, our focus today is going to be subtraction facts within 20. To help us with these subtraction facts, we're going to give ourselves a few of our strategies to work with. Now, why do we use these strategies? For these 3 reasons. Number 1, we want to think A for accuracy. We want to get the right answer. That's most important. Number 1, always get the right answer. Our E, however, reminds us to use our efficiency, meaning let's get the right answer, but let's get there as quickly as we can, as easily as we can. Let's find strategies that are going to allow us to move through a problem and move through a problem with purpose. And our last letter, F, is for flexibility. This means that we have the ability to change numbers or see numbers in ways that are easy for us. We can change things around a little bit, and we'll talk a little bit about that as we go through today. Okay? So, the 3 strategies that we're going to talk about are going to be our small facts, our complements of 10, and our get to 10 and then. Now, if you have been watching our videos, you will notice that these are similar strategies that we talked about and described when we were doing our addition facts. So again, same sort of thinking, same sort of strategies for subtraction and addition. Let's start off with our small facts if we could. Now, when I'm thinking of small facts, I'm thinking of numbers that, again, are small enough that I can visualize them in my head, that I can picture them, and that I can work with them without having to do too much. So I could take, for example, something such as 5 minus 3. Now, this is an example of a small fact question. These numbers are small enough that I can picture them in my mind. These might be numbers that I've been very familiar with, maybe seeing them a lot throughout my life, kindergarten, first grade, and now in second grade, I find that I can work with them with some pretty good efficiency. I don't have to do too much for a problem like this. I know my small facts, 5, I take away 3. I know that that's going to leave me with a value of 2. Okay? Again, I know that I have the right answer with my accuracy, and I'm also being efficient. I'm not drawing extra pictures that I don't need. I'm not doing any movements that are not helping me. Let's move on to our next, and that's going to be our complements of 10. So this is where our complements of 10 knowledge, knowing those 2 numbers that work together to make 10, this is where that fact is going to help us. So in this case, I may take a problem such as 10 minus 5 equals, well, blank. Well, here, my complements of 10 knowledge is very helpful for me. Since I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, I know that complement of 10. That lets me know this problem, 10 minus 5 is going to equal 5. Again, I'm able to have the right answer, my accuracy. I'm also able to be very efficient. Our last strategy is going to be our get to 10 and then strategy. If you'd like to see this a bit more, I did post a video yesterday on our day 5 for our no packet, no problem. Feel free to check that out. But our get to 10 and then strategy involves us getting to 10 first and then doing the rest. Maybe I'm working with numbers that are a little bit larger than my small facts. I need to break it up a little bit. So for example, if I saw 13 minus 5, okay? Here, these numbers are bigger than my small facts. I couldn't picture all of this in my head. So I'm going to break this up into steps. I know that I'm starting with 13, and the first thing I want to think about is, well, Let me just get rid of the ones that I have. In this case, I have 3 1s. So I'm going to first take away a value of 3. Okay? So I know 13 minus 3 would equal 10. And now I have to think, well, how much do I have left to take away? Well, I know 3 and 2 together makes 5. So now I can just take my 10, take away 2 more, and that would equal 8. Now I wrote these steps out. Many of you might be able to picture this in your head. By all means, that is fantastic. In our in our day 5 video, we saw ourselves using a number line to see these steps as well. Again, if the get to 10 and then is something you want to see a bit more of, check out our day 5 no packet, no problem video. Okay? So all of these steps are designed to help me today as I'm working through my packet problems. When I go to my packet, I'm going to find my math section thanks to the sticky note that I gave myself. And I can see here that for day 6, we're focusing on subtraction facts within 20. Pages 15 and 16 are going to be our focus. So again, for day 6, pages 15 and 16. I'll flip through to get to those pages quickly for you, or as quickly as I can. And here we see page 15, as well as page 16. Okay? So these pages are going to be an opportunity for you to use some of these strategies. Now don't forget, your main goal is to have accuracy. If you need to do something different to get to your answer, make a model, do whatever you need to do, because accuracy is always going to be our most important idea. But once you're starting to feel comfortable and confident with these strategies, let's also push for that efficiency and let's push for some flexibility. If you have any questions about today's video or about the packet work, feel free to shoot me a message on Class Dojo. Hit me up on Google Classroom. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.